Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add emojis to your name in Slack. So first of all, open up the app. Now once you're in the app, click on your profile picture at the top right, and in here click on set your statuses right here, click on it. Now once you're here, select one of these right here. I will go for, let's say, vacationing. Now in here select the emoji that is there, click on it, and after that select the emoji that you want. I will go for, let's say, this hat one, and after that click on clear after and set it to don't clear, and after that click on save. And if you go back now, you will have an emoji besides your name. So that is how you can add an emoji to your name in Slack.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an emoji besides your username in Slack. So first of all, click on your profile picture at the bottom left right here, click on it, and in here click on update your status. Now in here select one of these statuses that are already there. I would go for, let's say, out sick. Now once you're here, click on the emoji right here, and in here add the emoji that you want. I will go for, let's say, this hot one right here. Now after that you can rename that emoji. I will go for too hot to handle. Now after you've named the status, click on this button right here, and in here click on don't clear right here. Now after that click on save, and after that emoji would be added besides your name. So that is how you can add an emoji to your name in Slack.